much.
Today is a very important day. Took my car to the shop. This is after I dropped my car off. I'm excited and everything. The guy, he quoted me 400. Let me know down in the comments if I got scammed. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've already had this exhaust in for a few days. I've been playing with it. I think it sounds pretty nice so far. We got the Megan single exit installed. A lot of people were saying that like, oh, you should have went with the ISR or something. We got Berk test pipes, resonated. Do not get the normal ones. Got the DC Sports white pipe. So we got the resonated test pipes going into white pipe and then into the single exit. So yeah. You guys can even hear me, but it's a pretty loud exhaust. It shakes everything. Probably should not be inhaling that, but like still. That's how it sounds like on the startup. It's not like cold start or anything because, you know, sunny shit and everything. And have a little fun today. See how this sounds. Also, another thing no one tells you is that test pipes smell like shit. It's not filtering any of the chemical smell, so that kind of sucks. There's definitely like a little rasp, but like it's not anything crazy. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna lie, I met starter pack G37 owner. Hey, shout out Hendo. Hopefully your name's not Edgar, Juan, Julio, Antonio, Jesus. Oh wait, there's another G. We're not gonna talk about the check engine light that popped on, all right? It wasn't real, you didn't see that. I had to raise my car a decent amount lower before. I'll throw pictures up on the screen. Car is still looking dirty, but sounds nice, and that's all that matters, you know? The exhaust, I don't know if y'all can hear it right now, but I think it sounds pretty nice. I'm very happy with this exhaust. The daily ability is pretty good. It's not like the loudest, so it's like, but it's definitely not the quietest, let's just say that. Yeah, overall, the drone and rasp is controllable. The performance gains could be negligible because, you know, I gotta tune and everything, but we'll figure that out soon. But for now, overall, this exhaust is very worth it in my opinion, especially for a budget setup. What do you think, babe? Talking to the mic. Do you like it?
I'm gonna beat him.
Oh, okay.